Previously on Tidy Space, Tidy Mind, I've been going through my makeup collection drawer by drawer and slowly getting rid of the things that I know I don't want or need, and organising new systems to make the products I've decided to keep easy to find, easy to use. There's so many lipsticks. How does this happen? And hopefully encouraging me to use more of my collection. So far we're 5 drawers down with the makeup collection. However, Tidy Space, Tidy Mind is not just about my makeup collection. We are doing a full house reset. So I thought today we would change course slightly, take a break from the makeup. It's coming back, don't worry, there's still loads of drawers to go through. We're going to be starting my clothes, which is the biggest task, okay? You better grab onto your hats, people, because this is a biggie. And it's going to be part 1 of many. So welcome back to the Messy Girl Diaries. Welcome back to Tidy Space, Tidy Mind. Hi guys, I'm about to reveal honestly my biggest insecurity, and that is the state of my clothes situation. It causes me stress, it causes me anxiety. I don't know where anything is. I own multiples of multiple things, as I've recently talked about. Because I can't see everything all the time, because things are in boxes, in bags, in suitcases, in cupboards, I don't know what I own. And I have so many clothes. I'm very lucky to have them all. And I love clothes and I love fashion. It's got out of hand. It really has. So this is going to be part 1 of many of me going through my clothes. I'm not sure what we're going to do throughout this video. However, today, the first thing I'm going to do is build a new storage system. I'm taking a risk. We're starting in the wardrobe. So welcome to my wardrobe. Now, honestly, looking at it, it's obviously full, but it doesn't look crazy. You know, there's like, it's not like bumper to bumper. And that's because my clothes are everywhere, all over the house. I have massive chests of drawers in my bedroom. There are suitcases full, plastic bags upstairs. There are clothes scattered all around my house. Black bin liners full of clothes that I've been meaning to take to the charity shop for months. There's suitcases full of clothes. There's bags under my bed full of clothes. There are clothes everywhere. So of course the wardrobe's not full because the clothes aren't in the wardrobe. So Tidy Space, Tidy Mind is all about making it small, manageable, bite-sized little tasks. So today I'm going to do something small, hopefully that's going to make a big difference, and I'm only going to set myself this one task today, and that is to build a new rail. So I actually built this whole wardrobe myself. I did it during lockdown and I think it looks really good and like quite pro. I did it all with my little tape measure. I'm quite good at eyeballing things in general. So I've bought a freestanding rail that will hopefully go above this shelving unit. If it doesn't, I will be quite disappointed and my measurements will have been wrong. There's just a lot of free hanging space here that I wanted to make look nice, like hang my bags, hang my hats. It's a waste of space. I need space to hang. I'd like to hang my big baggy t-shirts up so I can see them, and I think this would be the perfect space for it. So that's my only task today, to build the shelf. That is it. I don't even have to put anything on it. I just need to build it, and then we'll come back to it another day. I'm gonna go get the box and let's put it together. I guess actual step 1 will be to remove this. You're coming with me. Job 1 done. Okay, let's open her up. Okay. She's got humor. She just one of a kind. No, you're a horizontal tube, I think. Vertical. Wish me luck, guys. Play Spotify. She's a bimbo and an info. Is she human? She's just one of a kind. Out of her mind. Yeah. One too many times I wake up bruised. Oh, how she wears me down. She fucks with everyone. No matter what I try to lose. Hi, it's been multiple days, but we're finally going to start decluttering the clothes. It's just got to happen. It's just got to happen. So today we're starting with baggy t-shirts. We're starting with white because apparently this is okay. And we're going to be multitasking today. I'm going to try it all on. I've got a mirror here. If I don't want to keep it, immediately taking a photo for Vinted. I'm not just going to try it on, take it off, put it in a bag and then not take photos. I'm going to take the photo right now and it's happening. So let's try on all of my baggy white t-shirts and I'll tell you what I'm keeping and what I'm not. My Burn Your Bra t-shirt, which I freaking love. I love it. I love the fact that it says Burn Your Bra. I just feel like someone else would wear it more. I have so many t-shirts. So, the background of all of my vintage photos is an absolute mess, so please don't judge me too hard, okay? If you want to buy any of this stuff, then my vintage is alive. My cute little Converse tee. I bought this in Peru and I wear this to the gym all the time, so I'm gonna keep this. Big baggy fruit with a slit, keep. I love this t-shirt. This is great for the summer. I love the colors. I love that it's got the little slit. You can wear it with like shorts or a little mini skirt and it's really cute. Keep. Freddie Mercury, Say No More. Don't take this away from me. We're currently on a 3:1 ratio, so we need to be a little bit more cutthroat here, Em. Come on. This is an unbranded plain white tee. I have no idea where this is from, but I like the way it fits. Everyone needs a plain white t-shirt, okay? I like this one. This means that the other two have to go. This Gymshark tee has loads of stains on it, so I think I'm just gonna take it to the charity shop. I've got an Asda white t-shirt that I know I don't like the fit of, so this can go. One of my favourite gym tees, this has to stay. Okay, white tees are hard because they're my gym wear. And these are my pyjama tops as well, lest we forget. You cannot ask me to get rid of Cher. Freddie Mercury and Cher, I say no. Cher's gotta stay. My Girl of the Muse. I love this t-shirt. I love the embroidery on the back. I love the fit of it. And I wear this loads, so she's staying. Okay, this is new. I got this to wear in the gym. It says trust the process and it's really cute. Sorry, I feel like I'm not doing very well. Why do I live in baggy oversized t-shirts? They're just my favourite. I've gotten rid of 4 so far. Keep. You've got to remember that I train a lot, okay? And I wear baggy t-shirts in the gym every day. These are my pyjamas that I sleep in. So I'm not going to say it's terrible. A little training tee that I wear all the time. I love the font and the writing. These are all things that I actually wear. I probably should have chosen things that I don't actually wear as the first one so that you guys don't think I'm lame with my decluttering, but these are all things I honestly wear all the time. This is new and one of my favourite gym tees at the moment, keep. An Yves Saint Laurent v-neck that I never wear. I'm going to put this on my vintage, just so you know. It's got a little hole here and a little hole here. I got it on Depop years ago and I just never wear it. It has potential to be a cool little fit, but it's just, I just never wore it. I've had it for like 3 years, I never wear it, it's gotta go. Going on my vintage. We've got 4 empty hangers. Time for colourful t-shirts.
How are you?
I'm okay. I've done my white baggy t-shirts.
Good.
I've got rid of 4.
It's incredibly impressive that you can do people t-shirts and come for a collection of white baggy.
Yeah, no, this is part of the problem. We don't need to dwell on that.
Progress.
Yeah. Do you understand why I had a meltdown?
Of course, my love.
Still recording. They just watched me have a meltdown. Hey. Time for my colourful baggy t-shirts and my tie-dye. I know there's more somewhere in this house because I can already think of a few that aren't here, but I think they're in the wash, so let's go. This is one of my all-time favourite t-shirts and one of my most worn. I wear this to bed all the time. This has to stay. I love the way this t-shirt fits. I love the way it hangs. It's so soft and it's the perfect casual around the house t-shirt. I wear this a lot. Stay. You guys see me wear this all the time. You know I can't get rid of this t-shirt. It's my favourite. I love this baggy t-shirt. It's like my fake tanning t-shirt. It's my pyjama t-shirt. This can't go anywhere. My Tweety Pie t-shirt is so cute. I love this. This is one of my favourite pyjama tops, so this can stay. My favourite tie-dye t-shirt. Do you honestly think I'm going to be getting rid of this? It's got Camperman on it. It's got a Camperman on it. It's staying. There will be some I get rid of, I promise. This hasn't started well either. This super cool vintage wash Beatles t-shirt is another one that I wear all the time. This is definitely a keep. Arguably the coolest and baggiest t-shirt I own. This 100% has to stay. Tie-dye Playboy bunny, still with tags. This needs to go. This is my comfort tee that I wear to bed all the time, so this has to stay too. Balmain t-shirt, I'm actually going to sell it on Vinted. It's just not the right cut for me. I don't really like the shape of it. Just heads up, the writing used to be white and it's now grey. It bled in the wash, which for Balmain I'm a little bit, like, I'm a bit disappointed by. But yeah, I just wish it was a bit looser, so this will be on my Vinted if you want a cheap Balmain t-shirt. Baggy Gymshark tee in green that I wear to the gym all the time, so this can stay. My safe sex t-shirt is one of my favourite pyjama tops, so practice safe sex and stay. I got this t-shirt in Hong Kong Disneyland. Look how cool. Look how cool the back is. I just don't like the fit of it for me, and I just wish it was baggier, and I don't think it's my colour, so I'm going to actually sell this even though it's sentimental. One of my favourite tie-dye t-shirts, one of my favourite pyjama tops. Let's dance. Stay. This t-shirt's really cute. I just don't wear it enough. I feel like someone else will love it more, so I'm going to sell this on Vinted. And finally, we've got to wrap the Boys Get Sad too. I can't get rid of this. Boys Get Sad too, and don't you forget it. I got rid of 5. Meh. Here's my baggy t-shirt collection, which still looks ridiculous, but don't judge me, it's all I wear. They have been hung on my new rack. I also put a few bodysuits up here, but we'll go through those at another time. Look how much space. I would say that's not too terrible. This is terrible. And this is terrible. But this color-coded? Who is she? As you can probably tell, it is not the same day. In fact, it's not the same month. It is probably 6 weeks later, and I'm just getting around to editing all of the Tidy Space, Tidy Mind episodes that I have filmed over the past 2 months. They are coming back. I'm sorry we took a bit of a break there. Project Me took over my life a little bit. I'm also sorry that there wasn't a weekly vlog. My life's been a little bit insane recently, so there wasn't a weekly vlog, and there also won't be one this Sunday because I am at a festival for work. However, when I get back, there is going to be a big catch-up jumbo vlog of all of the things that I've been doing recently that aren't Project Me related, because I know not everyone cares about shop content. So there is going to be a big kind of catch-up of all of the snippets of things that I've been doing in between. I won't lie, I've not been doing much other than that, but I have been doing a few things, and I'm also going to vlog the festival, so that will be coming for you guys in next week's weekly vlog. It will be the big catch-up vlog. There's also going to be an ASMR order packing video coming soon, the launch day vlog, which is such a fun little vlog. Short and sweet. We're just going to stick to baggy tees today, but when I'm home from the festival, I will be getting on doing other areas. I think I might do jeans next, keeping them short and sweet rather than like 45-minute long decluttering videos. I'm just going to do like 15-20 minute videos just scattered everywhere, much like the clothes in my house. Also, fun fact, my tumble dryer is broken, so I currently have loads of laundry and no tumble dryer or way to dry my clothes. So yeah, a little bit of an all over the place little video here, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the beginnings of the wardrobe section of Tidy Space, Tidy Mind. We've actually had huge progress in the office. I cannot wait to share with you the office transformation. I now just need to get it painted and then we will be done. So hopefully that won't be too far away, but the shelves are in and they're beautiful. Oh, you're not ready. You are not ready to see how they look. They look amazing. I need to go pack for a festival. So thank you for watching. This is actually the day that you're watching this. I hope you have a lovely day and I will see you guys in my next video.